This shit funny as hell.
You don't know what I'm about. I'm about something different. I'm different. I'm totally different. I'm a sexy motherfucker. That's what I am. You don't know? Shut your mouth then. That's what I am.
A sexy motherfucker. A sexy motherfucker.
Exactly.
I thought it was Italian pimp.
Hell no, Italian pimps go and come. I'm a sexy
You
motherfucker.
just a sexy motherfucker.
Exactly. You don't know? Shut your mouth and keep it quiet. If you don't know who I am, you shut your mouth and keep it quiet. Because I'm a sexy motherfucker and you don't know. I'm around and I'm here. I'm getting off at El Cerrito.
To the plaza.
I'll fuck them when they're ready.
Wait for the train.
Did you spell no change?
No, I don't spare any change. I'm ready to spare some open pussy. That's what I'm doing.
Oh.
God.
I'm good. Let's go. Oh, right.